EcoMarines Foundation, founded in 2014, is a non-for-profit organisation providing free environmental education to schools right across Queensland. We focus on empowering students, educators and communities to protect and preserve the natural environment. The EcoMarines program is designed to be student-led, encouraging peer-to-peer education, giving students the incredible opportunity to be leaders and voices of change. Schools who join the EcoMarines program decide how they select their own student ambassadors and what their support crew looks like. Throughout the program, we work with your schools and ambassadors to deliver resources, workshops, events and more to support your environmental and sustainability journey. There are many advantages to joining EcoMarines. Our schools receive resources and support that align with the Australian curriculum's focus on sustainability, conservation and environmental education. Joining EcoMarines offers several benefits which can be categorised into 6 key topics: environmental education, community and collaboration, positive school culture, practical environmental impact, recognition and support, and long-term benefits. EcoMarines provides educational resources and activities that align with the curriculum, making it easier for teachers to integrate environmental topics into their lessons. EcoMarines also provides ongoing support to help schools successfully implement and advance their environmental initiatives. Our team can also assist your school to connect with other EcoMarines ambassadors and teachers to create a network of environmental leaders. Through interactive projects and challenges, students can learn about environmental issues like pollution, conservation and sustainability in a hands-on and engaging way. Our programs include projects such as beach cleanups, waste reduction initiatives and habitat restoration efforts. Everything revolves around creating awareness for environmental issues such as pollution, biodiversity loss and overconsumption. It is important to highlight our schools have access to many great opportunities, including educational workshops, industry and community connections, events and competitions. Check out some of our fantastic testimonials from our EcoMarine programs and participants.
Having Wellington State School being a part of EcoMarines is a very important decision. It comes from the place of there is no planet B. If we can't have our younger generation growing up knowing how important it is to be sustainable, knowing how important it is to look after what we've got, our future is lost. We need to, all of us in every school, connect with EcoMarines, get your student leaders in grade 5 and 6 involved, and that way we can look forward to a future on planet Earth.
Hi, my name's Nikki Highland. I'm a teacher here at St Anthony's Primary School. I've been working with the EcoMarines across a few schools now since 2017 and it's been such an amazing journey. We've worked with students that have shown us how much they love the environment, sustainability. They have learnt so much from the opportunities provided by the EcoMarines. We've worked with Coral Watch, with the Redland City Council, the Brisbane City Council. We've worked with recycling plants. We've learned all about composting. It's just been amazing and we wouldn't have had these opportunities if it wasn't for the program offered by the EcoMarines. I cannot recommend them enough. So we need more schools to join us, so come and join the EcoMarines and find out how today.
EcoMarines is an incredibly flexible and engaging program. We connect with schools who are at all different stages of their sustainability journey and help them initiate their projects, organise their resources and connect them with local councils and environmental organisations. If you have any questions or want to know more about EcoMarines, please reach out to the contacts listed. We can't wait to see your incredible initiatives.